Welcome everyone to the Oakley Home Access Showroom down here in Narragansett, Rhode Island. Today we welcome one of our favorite community partners, Guenette Pedersen of Ramp. Thank you for coming down today.
Anytime.
We are going to be talking about access today. So when we talk about access into an individual's home, there's really three options that we go to. First, we're going to look at how many steps there are. If there's anything more than 4, 5, 6 steps, we'll talk about an outdoor stair lift. Now, what the outdoor stair lift is a chair that's going to bring someone up and down the stairs. However, the individual is going to need to transfer in and out of the chair. So a lot of individuals that have, say, power wheelchair situations, it's not very feasible to have 2 power wheelchairs. So we're looking at alternative access equipment. So the 2 most popular pieces of equipment that we talk about are the aluminum modular ramp systems. We love the modular ramp system because we can customize them to almost any situation. Whether it's 1 step, this is picturing about a 16-inch rise. We can ramp up to 10 steps if we need to. However, with the additional steps becomes additional ramp. So sometimes folks don't have any real estate to put more than 10, 20 feet of ramp, so we have to look at space savers. We come over here to the vertical platform lift. Now this is a little more invasive. We're not able to remove it like the ramps as if it was never there as easy, but we are, with a concrete pad, able to save a lot of space, and then as we're going to see shortly, we're going to be able to roll or walk onto this platform, hit a button, and then be able to get up to our destination and come off. So the reason we have this on demonstration the way it is a lot of times individuals are choosing between the vertical platform lift and the modular ramp system. So here, we've connected the 2 systems, and we're going to be able to try them both out and see what works best for the user. So, Tina's volunteered to demonstrate today.
So here we go. We're going to go up. I can do this all by myself, which is really nice. You go into the setting. You hit the button.
And this ramped area that she had rolled onto originally becomes that final wall.
And then on the platform and down the ramp. And then it's just as easy to do it like Justin said. The vertical chair, the stair lift is not feasible for somebody like me. So, we need to make sure that we're being feasible for everybody. So I can come right back up onto the platform. Hit the button, and I can do this completely and totally independently without needing any help from anybody. And now I am back on to safe ground. So yeah, the stair lift for outside is not feasible for somebody like me because, we can only get one chair every 5 years. So that's not an option for us. And we need to have our power chairs around the house. So don't think that, a manual chair is good enough for somebody. They have a power chair for a reason. It lifts, it twists, it helps them with all of their daily needs. So don't give up your power chair to get in and out of the house easier. Get a ramp or a lift and call Oakley's to make sure it happens.
Well, thank you, Tina, for that wonderful demonstration. I think that was a great use of both the vertical platform lift and the modular ramp system. So like Tina said, you can give us a call, we can come out and we will assess the entire situation. We'll ask about how you're utilizing your home, how much help you have, what type of devices you use. We're holistic. We'll look at the whole situation and come up with a solution, collaborating with you and your team for the best access solution. You can give us a call, 401-429-3882. Or you can always pop by the showroom here at 322 South Pier Road in Narragansett, Rhode Island. And the website also has a wide variety of photographs and education and resources as well, oakleyhomeaccess.com. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.
Have a great day.